What's up, my beautiful smiley faces? Welcome back to my channel. I come before you today with a Kiss acrylic kit. Yes, I'll be doing my nails using this complete salon acrylic kit. And yes, I've used Kiss acrylic kits before. I'm pretty sure everyone has, or at least nail techs. So yeah, this one came from Walmart. It was $15.97, and it has everything that you need to do your own acrylic nails at home for those who don't know where to get like the professional supplies, or those who can't go into certain professional supply stores. But in this kit, there's the acrylic powder, the liquid. That green top is the apple scented masking drops that goes inside of the liquid to calm the loud smell of the acrylic. Those are that is the dapping dish. Those are the forms. That is the buffing block. And at the bottom of this kit, if I can get it opened, is the nails, the nail tips, also the nail file, the acrylic brush, and a orange wood stick. And it also comes with directions in just about every language. So yeah, just follow the directions and you'll be set. That's a nice case that it comes with as well. So right here, I'm just sizing the nails to my fingertips. And as you can see, these are the full well natural nail tips. It also have the half well white French tips. But also look at my middle finger. You have to size them because some fingers may be bigger than the other. You just can't assume that each finger uses the same size, because my middle fingers, my right hand middle finger is, a little bit bigger. So yeah. So right now I'm just going to push back the cuticles. And with the other side of this orange wood stick, I'm going to just scrape off the dead skin. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to buff the surface of my nail just to remove the oil, the excess oil that your body produces. So I'm just using I believe it's maybe like a 200 grit, because it's really soft. And I'm just going to remove the shine from my nail plate. And I'm going to also just remove, any dust with my little duster before I apply the tips with the Kiss glue. So I'm just going to squeeze a little glue inside of the well to apply to my nail plate, like so. And I'm going to do that to all of my fingers. So once I have all of the tips on, I'm going to just file the tips off, just file the tips down a little bit. For my shaping, I'm going to go ahead and leave them square and long, just filing off the little tip of the nail. So yeah, that was fast and easy. So now I'm going to go ahead and pour my liquid in my dapping dish along with the what is it, sour apple, or the apple masking drops. And it says put 3 to 5 drops. I believe I put about 3 or 4 drops in there. And you also need to make sure that you have your paper towels, so when you are wiping the acrylic off, you have to wipe it off on a paper towel. And I forgot to blend my tips in, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. Once you see me cover the powder and the liquid up, I'm just buffing blending the nail tips, and I'm using that 180 side just to blend in those tips and dusting them off. And I'm about to go ahead and put the primer on and start the acrylic application. So that is the acrylic brush. Right now I'm just getting all of that little glue stuff, that they put on the brush to hold it together. And I'm dipping it in my liquid. And I'm folding over my napkin because of the gray from the file was there, and I don't want to be wiping off my brush and then the gray stuff get in to my liquid, and then it'd be all on my nails. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm going to zoom in for you guys so you can get a closer look at the application. And this is I slowed the video down so you can see the process a little bit better, but I will speed it back up after I'm done with doing the pinky. As you can see, it's a little bit of liquid left, and I'm going to try to finish the thumb with that tad bit of liquid, but I don't know. We shall see. So it didn't work out. I have to add a little bit more of liquid to complete my thumb. And then I'm going to just reshape them a little bit and, level them all out and file them smooth and buff them, so they can be smooth. Also, if you haven't done so already, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to have you as one of my beautiful smiley faces, and lay around for a part 2. So I just sprayed some alcohol just to, get all of the excess dust and, clean off the nail so it can be good and dry for, my nail polish application, which will be in part dos.